Disturbing allegations against Motown legend Smokey Robinson. The 85-year-old music icon is being sued over allegations of sexual abuse by 4 of his former housekeepers. KTLA's Carlos Herrera live in Chatsworth with the details. Carlos, good morning.
Hi, Frank. Good morning. And these accusations include sexual battery, rape, and other offenses. The singer's former housekeepers and a former secretary, a personal assistant, coming forward after they say they suffered several years of this abuse. They're hoping that other potential victims break their silence too, and they're now demanding more than $50 million in damages.
We believe that Mr. Robinson is a serial and sick rapist that must be stopped.
3 of the women appearing in person at yesterday's news conference in downtown Los Angeles. A 4th attended remotely, all wearing masks to protect their identity and speaking only through their attorney to accuse the Motown legend. They say the sexual assaults and labor violations, including a hostile work environment, illegally long hours, and lack of pay, all occurred between 2007 and 2024. All 4 women each claim that Robinson would wait until he was alone with them in his house, then sexually assault and rape them. One of them claims Robinson assaulted her at least 23 times, often in place in his home without security cameras. Another alleges Robinson assaulted her 7 times in 1 year, targeting her during her weekend shift. The woman who worked with him the longest claims she was abused for decades.
He raped her in 3 of their homes, namely the Chatsworth home, the Las Vegas home. He had a preoccupation of fondling her breasts and touching her all over her body against her will.
Robinson is a member of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame and the Songwriters Hall of Fame. He's now 85 years old, has not commented on this lawsuit. The alleged victims also suing his wife, Frances, for covering up the alleged crimes. They also blame her for the hostile work environment, saying she yelled at them regularly and berated them with ethnic slurs. The attorney for the alleged victims say they did not come forward sooner because they were afraid. This morning, legal experts saying these allegations lend credibility to the plaintiffs and things don't look too good for Robinson.
He has 4 women corroborating the same pattern of behavior where he brings them to a room, he lays down a towel, and then sexually assaults them. The allegations are very specific. So usually when allegations are very specific and there's multiple witnesses to it, that usually doesn't bode well for a defendant. So we'll see how this plays out. Maybe it settles early. 99% of cases do settle before trial. So I don't necessarily anticipate this to drag on for 2 or 3 years.
The women, Frank and Jessica, have not filed a police report. Mr. Robinson has not been criminally charged. We have reached out to his manager this morning, for comment. We've yet to hear back. We'll send it back to you guys.